Hello guys, welcome back to Ganesha Astrology. I am Ganesh Shanbag. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till now, we have learned about functional benefic and malefic planet for Aries and Taurus ascendant. Today I will be telling you about functional benefic and malefic planet for Gemini ascendant, that is good and bad planet for Gemini ascendant. We will apply same principle and rule as we have applied for previous two ascendant. Jupiter, Moon, Mercury and Venus are natural benefic planet, and Saturn, Mars, Rahu and Ketu are natural malefic planet. But in Vedic astrology, depending on ascendant, these planets change their nature from malefic to benefic and from benefic to malefic. There are four principles for studying about functional benefic and functional malefic for each ascendant. Principle number 1. Trines or Trikona Lord always gives good result. Principle number 2. If Kendra Lord are natural malefic, they give good result. And if Kendra Lord are natural benefic, then it will give bad result, as it causes Kendradipati dosha. Principle number 3. Lord of 3rd house, 6th house and 11th house always gives bad result. Principle number 4. Lord of 2nd house, 8th house and 12th house are neutral, although 8th and 12th house are Dusthana house. This principle we have to apply for all ascendant to find out which planet is functional benefic or functional malefic. Number 1. Mercury. Mercury for Gemini ascendant is ascendant lord, which is also a trine lord. Therefore, Mercury will give good result. Simultaneously, it is 4th lord. So, as per our rule, Kendra Lord, if benefic, will give bad result. But we must remember here that ascendant Lord will always give good result for that ascendant. So, Mercury will give good result for Gemini ascendant. Number 2. Jupiter. Jupiter is the Lord of 7th house and 10th house for Gemini ascendant. As per our principle, Kendra Lord, if benefic, will always give bad result. Here, Jupiter being benefic is Lord of 2 Kendra house, that is 7th house and 10th house. Therefore, Jupiter is considered to be bad planet for Gemini ascendant as it is having Kendradipati dosha. Number 3. Moon. Moon is the Lord of 2nd house for Gemini ascendant, which is giver of wealth, money, but being 2nd Lord, Moon is also Marka to Gemini ascendant. So, Moon is a bad planet for Gemini ascendant. Number 4. Sun. Sun is the Lord of 3rd house for Gemini ascendant. As per our principle number 3, Lord of 3rd house always give bad result. So, Sun is most malefic planet for Gemini ascendant. Number 5. Venus. Venus is the Lord of 5th house and 12th house. 5th house is a Trikona house, house of Puru Punya, that is fruits of past life good karma. So, Venus is most benefic planet for Gemini ascendant. Simultaneously, Venus is also Lord of 12th house. As per our rule, 12th house is neutral house. So, Venus for Gemini ascendant is most beneficial planet and in his dasha it will give most auspicious result. Number 6. Mars. Mars is the Lord of 6th house, that is house of disease, death, enemy. Mars is also the Lord of 11th house. As per our principle number 3, Lord of 6th house and 11th house always give bad result. Secondly, Mars is the enemy of Mercury. So, in his dasha, Mars will give most malefic result for Gemini ascendant. Number 7. Saturn. Saturn is the ruler of 8th house for Gemini ascendant. 8th house is the house of uncertainty, trouble, chronic disease, sudden event. But as per our principle, 8th house is a neutral house. Saturn is the ruler of 9th house for Gemini ascendant, house of fortune, luck, and trine house. As per our rule, trine lord always give auspicious result. So Saturn is most beneficial planet for Gemini Lagna. In Saturn Dasha, native will enjoy most auspicious result and will progress and prosper in life. From this, we can conclude that for Gemini ascendant, Saturn and Venus is most beneficial planet as they are ruler of a trine house. And in his dasha, native will enjoy most auspicious result. Mercury being the ascendant lord will give good result. Mars is the enemy of Mercury and it will give very bad result for Gemini ascendant. Sun being third lord, Moon being second lord, and Guru, most beneficial planet, being Kendra lord, will also give bad result for Gemini ascendant. Rahu and Ketu are shadow planet and they always give somewhat bad result. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.